Okay, I'm back here with my patient Ron, and we are going with the last visit now on this rescue IMZ case. Here is the 4x1, and we found out we had a little dilemma, a last minute dilemma, which we were able to solve. This is what happened. We put the 1x4, or excuse me, the 4x1 in the distal abutment, which bottoms out perfectly. Let me blow that up. As we went to the next abutment, we found out that we had some issues with space, and we just slight space at this point. Evidently a ring of some type might have been a little bit on the shorter or smaller diameter. So we had to actually take an IME, excuse me, an IMC, an old one, put it in a handpiece and spin it around so that it can actually remount the diameter. Okay, so now the next step is to make sure that our screws were cut properly. So this is our component. Let's back down. That goes in. There's already a 4x1 in the mouth. So we're going to double check. Okay, so we're going to tighten this one down. So this is simulating as if this were in the mouth. Okay, now you can actually see the thread coming out the bottom. So we don't want to see that, especially if we go to tighten this down a little bit more. Some of that thread's going to come out, and I don't want it to touch the inside of the implant abutment. So we have to take a little off, probably about 1.5 threads. Alright, now I'm going to try in the other, so this one's 1.5, I'll try in the other screw now. Let's see, okay, that's out. Alright. Okay. Same thing. Go through. This is screw number 2. Again, about 1, and this one's a little more, maybe about 2 threads. Alright, that's it. Okay, so undoing this, I'm going to actually try it on the other side. Like that. I'll need that back. Let's see where we are on this one. Okay. Let go. Okay. And it's out a little bit more. Tiny bit more on this one. But it seats nice and tight. Okay. So now we have the game plan set. We just have to shorten our screws. I'm going to do that, and then when we come back, we're putting the case in. I don't have much more to go here. This is Dr. Jerry Cuomo back with the last series here.